Introducing Zeda Korea's bridge inspection vehicle, which is the best solution for safe and efficient bridge inspection. Zeda Korea, the only road specialty company in Korea. We have proven our technology by localizing various specialty vehicles such as bridge inspection vehicles, portable lane control system, and aerial work vehicles for the first time in Korea. Zeda Korea's bridge inspection vehicles provide optimal operation by combining Zeda advanced electrical control technology. Zeda Korea's bridge inspection cars perform well in dams and bridges with complex structures. The design is optimized for a variety of environments, enabling safe and efficient inspections to keep your infrastructure safer. Zeda Korea's multi-fractive basket type is designed to work safely and efficiently in small spaces. We maximized safety through overload detector and body level sensor. Platform type inspection vehicle. World's longest platform is optimized for inspecting large bridges by providing a spacious working area. With the highest specifications, you can work comfortably up to a 4-lane highway. Zeda Korea's bridge inspection vehicles are designed for safe use in complex mountainous and coastal areas. It also features a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to operate, and a new boom design that minimizes torsion to provide a safer working environment for operators. Zeda Korea's bridge inspection vehicles have been proven by many government agencies and public institutions in Korea. We produce life-saving equipment to help reduce traffic accidents and increase road safety. Our goal is to all road users safe. At Zeda Korea, we want to build a safer future with you.